flames were so intense that in half a second all the hell broke loose.
My house burned to the ground. We have nothing else left.